This is coming to you live from downtown Newark, New Jersey. The beginning of, what is it called? Blizzard Nemo. Like Finding Nemo. As you can see, the visibility is greatly reduced and the cars have been forced to slip and slide down the streets. It is a huge mess, but I love the mess. I think my camera is a mess. Anyways, stay tuned for more CNN I Report from yours truly. As we can see, it's really coming down. I decided to walk home, to get like first-hand witness experience of this beautiful, violent winter day. Just so you know, this is actually just the beginning, so we haven't even had blizzard shit going on yet. So stay tuned. Hopefully I come out again like at midnight and give another update. Bye.